Welcome to the Boss ERM demo today, which will run approximately 6 minutes. Boss ERM is Kwivira's brand of an enterprise request management system which simplifies an organization's day-to-day operations by augmenting paper-based processes with an automated approach. Today we will be showing you how to provision, manage, and audit some typical operational tasks with onboarding a new hire, including the transfer of human resources documents and the issuance of a laptop. Before we start, let me give you some background information. This is a software as a service application within a major cloud services provider's high security infrastructure. It's accessible over the internet, and the browser used for today's demo is Google Chrome. So let's get started. What we are currently viewing is the sign-in page, which can be pre-populated and easily integrated with your organizational single sign-on policies and security requirements. Our first move will be to press the First Steps link on the upper left of the black banner, which will lead us to an introduction of the 3 screens being used in the demo. The first screen shown is the operation screen, also known as the list view, and is generally where most users would go after signing in. This screen will be frequently shown during the demo, capturing the provisioning request steps between different departments, also showing the ease of use of the BOSS system. The next screen is also part of the operation screen and is labeled the detail view, which is used to execute new and revised requests, including optional remarks and file attachments. Finally, the last screen depicts the results of utilizing the BOSS audit report capability in PDF format, showing both transactions from the demo with 2 additional request actions added to provide some additional context. We will now show you how to generate 2 separate requests. The first will be a human resources request, and the second will be targeted to information technology with an attachment. The next 3 slides will show the human resources request. So on the operation screen, we click on New, which gives us the detail view screen, and as you can see, the request from field has been auto-populated, and the request will be going to human resources with an action called Open Request, selected from the pull-down menu under Request Type. We then toggle back to the left center of the screen to search for more info, which shows us new hire documentation. We then provide remarks and then press Send. We can confirm that it's working properly by seeing the success statement in green at the upper left portion of the screen. In addition, you will also notice that an email has been sent from the requester to Human Resources as a result of the open request. As an aside, this email notification is only automatically sent on an initial open request, but can also be manually initiated at any time during the request cycle. The next request is about asking the Information Technology Department to provision a laptop for this new hire. Again, on the operations screen, we press the New button, switching to the detail view, noting that the Request From field has been auto-populated, and the Request To field displays IT as the intended recipient, with an action called Open Request. We then toggle back to the left center part of the screen to search for more info on the request, provide remarks, and this time attach a file. We then press Send, check for the confirmation statement in green on the upper left portion, and then switch to the list view to see the updates for both of the open requests. The next screen is an example of our audit report. On the audit screen and in the list view, we click on Generate PDF and show the request status in report format. This will include all of the timestamps and changes throughout the request lifecycle. There are also 3 additional rows reflected in the report that were not shown in the demo, but these iterations are common in actual usage and were inserted to provide a more detailed context of the value of the audit capability. Future reports will also capture transactions by individual user, which is especially useful in measuring individual process response time and enabling a more efficient method for identifying those steps in need of improvement. That concludes the demo for today. Hopefully you are better informed on our capabilities. To summarize, the task management of onboarding and asset assignment are just a few examples of the unlimited use cases for the BOSS system. With BOSS, you can automate any process, manage it, and track the status efficiently to meet all compliance standards while promoting increased collaboration between employees and internal and external stakeholders. Thank you for taking the time to discover BOSS, and please follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook via the highlighted link to our website.